Hey Sagittarius, Shara here. Sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded. I have been insanely busy doing a lot of stuff. I have 4 kids, I have a regular job. I actually just got back from work, my regular job. So you guys have been asking, where's the videos? Where's the reads? So here I am. My room's a mess. I'm a mess. My nails are ratchet. But yeah, here I am. I'm here for you, showing up. So I hope you guys are doing good. I've missed you guys. So let's see what's going on for you guys for mid-March. For Sagittarius, what's going on? What's coming towards Sagittarius for mid-March? Okay. Okay, so we have 3 cards. We've got false person, change, and adjudication. So adjudication come up for Scorpio. So you might be dealing with a Scorpio. If not, Scorpio also got imprisonment, but it was reversed. So somebody that y'all know might be going to jail. I don't know. Let me get more information on this. Can you tell me more about this? Somebody's being a false person. Somebody's not telling the truth. Maybe saying that they'll change. Somebody's not telling the truth about a vehicle or a house. Tell me more about this. Mature woman and child. So somebody, listen, I think it was also Libra that got this message. I don't know who your kids are around, but you need to watch your kids, okay? Because I'm just really getting not safe vibes. Make sure that you have a talk with your kids about something. Give me more information about this. Also, somebody that you know, like, the other thing is not going to resonate for everybody. You know, that could be just a few select. But maybe like in the beginning, the person that you were dealing with was like perfect and balanced. And they seemed like they were everything. And then they changed and became, you know, the mask fell off. And you, okay, so Sagittarius comes, you know, Sagittarius is the sage. So they are the wise person. Mature woman doesn't have to have female qualities, but it is a feminine energy. But women, or the feminine, divine feminine, use their intuition a lot more than the masculine. So you might have saw this person for who they are and you just switched it up. Tell me more. Courthouse. So, okay, with adjudication, change, courthouse, mature woman, false person. You know, y'all might be going to court to settle something. I don't know. Settle something. All right, let's get you guys some Rider-Waite. Let's see what the tarot says for you guys for mid-March. I don't know. Somebody is really pissed. You're pissed. Like angry. Five of Pentacles reversed. Be careful how you make your money, because always do the right thing. Always make sure that you pay attention to detail, because the Queen of Pentacles reversed. This is Sagittarian energy, but she's reversed. So that means that, you know, maybe you're not feeling in your most divine element. And maybe you're doing something that may not be on the up and up. So make sure that you pay attention to how you're making your money. Make sure that you're doing everything correct. What is the challenge in this situation? What is the challenge? All right, so we got 3 cards. Okay, so Temperance, the Lovers, and the Page of Pentacles. So this is the challenge. It's like not being able to bring balance to a situation. This could be the other person not paying attention to the details enough to balance out, because the Lovers is about choice. But for me, it's also, when I see the Lovers, I see it as like, you know, stitching of clothing. It brings it together. It's tethered. Okay. So, and Temperance is also, you know, like bringing together balance of all of the elements. So things are just not fully balanced as of right now. So I also see here that if there's somebody that you've been dealing with, they actually do miss you, but they're not telling you. They are being really, really petty. With the Queen of Wands reversed, this is just like a petty bitch, because they want back in. They feel out in the cold and they want to come back in. So that's another way. But also I think that they don't see that they are doing anything wrong. What is the most likely outcome in this situation? Yeah. There's not going to be a reconciliation, because your person is like either ashamed of what they did, or yeah, they're not changing. They're just stuck. in their shitty situation and they're stubborn, you know, they're not letting anything go. Like, I'm right, then I'm right. So the most likely outcome in this situation is going to be a lack of reconciliation because someone is blocking off their emotion, you know. And for some of you, for mid-March, I am seeing someone getting a new car, and you might have to take an extra job just to balance out the difference, or you might have to work more hours, or but be careful. Make sure that you bring somebody along that, you know, if you're looking for a house or a car or something, that, because the Lovers is also about signing contracts. So make sure that you look over everything. If you're looking for a house, if you're getting a house and it seems like a really good deal, make sure that you get that inspection, because it's worth the extra amount than to find out later that you have mold or flooding or whatever. You also might be talking to a new person, but it's really for sexual reasons. It's not really anything serious, and it's not going to be. All right. So what is your advice to Sagittarius for mid-March? King of Cups, go with the flow. You know, just be loving, be caring, give charity. Manage your emotions. Manage your emotions. Be within that, you know, water energy of emotions. I mean, you know, here's the thing. Life happens. Not everything is always going to be perfect. But if you stay consistent and you focus on your priorities, go have your fun, go, you know, spend what you want, be with who you want, but don't let that be your existence. You, and only you, can bring value to your existence. And that's just what it is. All right, so anyway, let's see what you guys need to focus on for mid-March. Also, a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio person may be coming in, and they are hurt from the past. So that's another thing that I'm getting. This Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio person, or somebody with water in their chart somewhere, may be scared to contact you. Just go with the flow. If they want to, they will. Manage your emotions. And for you Sagittarians that have anxiety, make sure that you meditate, hydrate, and make sure that you're I don't know why, but keep up with your medications if you need to. And just take it day by day. And get in water, drink water, get in water, swim, get in the jacuzzi, whatever. I think that will help. Anyway, what does Sagittarius need to focus on? Okay. Humility, gratitude, and expression. So if you've done something wrong, then, and this could be for the cross watcher as well. If you've done something wrong, then you need to express your gratitude for your person and humility. So people think that an apology, if you've done something wrong to someone, apologize. It makes you the bigger person when you're wrong, but don't overly do it, because then the person will take advantage. You can't say sorry for every little thing, but you can be empathetic to the other person's feelings. Cross watcher, this could be for you as well. So if you hurt somebody, empathize with them. You know, Sagittarians can be blunt. So especially if you got Sagittarius in, you know, in your moon sign, if Sagittarius is your moon sign, definitely. But yeah, express your gratitude. Be thankful. You know, Sagittarians are pretty positive, so definitely be thankful. So now let's get you guys some rebel advice, which is my favorite. It is my favorite. What's the rebel advice for Sagittarius? What is the rebel advice for Sagittarius? Okay, so this is reverse. It says you're being shady. So it's in the reverse. So you're honest. You are, like, be honest. Always be honest. You're being honest. And it says, watch out, shit could get ugly, but it's in the reverse. So, you know. What did we say? Okay, so just make sure that you're on the up and up about your money, your finances. Do everything in the right way, because you don't want to do something that's going to jeopardize that in the future. So Sagittarius are always after that bag. So, especially if you have Taurus in your chart. Make it rain. So I see some money coming in, but you need to do the right thing. Be honest. Buy the car, buy the house, but make sure that everything on the other side of the situation is clear and honest as well. This whole read is about honesty, whether it's about you or the person, people, or organization that you're dealing with. So make sure that you read everything, dot your I's, cross your T's, and be open. Be open to what the universe is giving you, and don't take it for granted. And another thing that I'm getting from this entire read, okay, humility and gratitude, okay. I'm feeling, and with the Page of Pentacles, something new is coming, and it might make you feel a little egotistical. Don't let that happen. Stay the same. And be thankful. Don't be like, oh, well, I got this, or I got this raise, or I got this house, look what I'm driving, whatever. You don't want to do that. People are going to hate you. So, and nobody hates Sag, right? So, anyway, Sagittarius, that is all that I have for you. If you want a personal read, it is in the description. What else? Like the video, subscribe, y'all know what to do. If it resonates, comment. Let me know. If it don't, comment. Still love you. And this can be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node for Sagittarius. So, yeah, I guess that's it. All right, bye. I love you so much.